Hi there. Are you the kind of person that has a lot of good ideas, a lot of talent, and a nice skill set? Probably you're an experienced person, but there is that something that keeps holding you back, that doesn't get you to start things or take initiative. You're for sure a hard worker, but deep down you lack confidence to step up your game. In this video, I want to show you 3 crystals that will help you with confidence, drive, and initiative. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic, and today I want to talk to you about these 3 wonderful crystals that's going to help you with being more confident about what you want to do, and I'm going to give you a crystal grid prescription to use to boost your confidence. So, if you feel stuck, you're shy, or you're not a driver, check out these crystals. The first one is my all-time favorite from the quartz family, Citrine. This is the necklace that I'm wearing. Citrine is our own personal sun. It's the go-to crystal for the solar plexus. That's where our sense of power or confidence live. Being our own personal sun, it energizes you. It gives that solar plexus a kick and awakens it. Citrine boosts your confidence and gives you a feeling of being on top of the world. If you want to learn more about Citrine, check out the links below to the article about why Citrine gives you that feeling of being on top of the world. The next one is Tiger Eye. It's a personal favorite too. Look at how beautiful this stone is with golden stripes against the glossy brown. I have so much jewelry made of Tiger Eye, I can set up the Tiger Eye store. This crystal empowers you to drive things and to move forward. It gives you emotional and physical strength, focus, and clarity of purpose. You want to be known as the one who get things done? Tiger Eye is the crystal. The third crystal is Pyrite. It's also known as Fool's Gold. It does many things in terms of environmental health, physical and emotional well-being, but when it comes to the subject of drive and confidence, this stone seals the deal. So here are 3 things that Pyrite does to help you stay confident and driven. Number 1, it shields from negative energy. Number 2, it encourages you to follow your dreams. And number 3, prevents energy leaks. Remember, once you get to this point, you don't want to lose that momentum. At the beginning of this video, I promised to show you how to make a grid for confidence, drive, and initiative with the crystals we just discussed. This is what you need. 1 master crystal, in this case we're using Tiger Eye in generator shape, 6 pieces of citrine, and 6 quartz points that we will use to boost the energy. The template will be Sacred Geometry pattern of the Seed of Life you can download from the website. First, we start by placing the master crystal. Then we follow placing the citrine pieces on the inner ring. And we keep placing them until the inner ring is complete. I intentionally left the quartz points for the end to explain something. Points towards the inside is to bring the energy in. If you place them going out, is to send the energy and intention out there. So now that the placement of the crystals is complete, and as you can see, the pointers are going towards the center, so all complete, we'll start activating. So for this, we will use another quartz point to bring the energy all together. It's very easy. So start at the center, bring the first crystal in, jump to the another, bring it back, going back and forth. Think that you are sort of slicing a pie. So check out the links below to download sacred geometry patterns, learn more about citrine and quartz, and how to activate a crystal grid. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic. Thanks for watching.